Look at all the glitter, girl. Look at all of the shine. Look at the glow. Don't you guys want to look like this summer on the beach, wherever you want to go? Hey guys, it's Princess A, aka Asura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your body shimmer, how to make it glow, especially for the summer. Have people turning their heads, asking you how you did it. And yeah, so before we get this started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's get straight into the video. Also, if you clicked on this video to see if I had any tips for your face to make it glow, I actually don't have any tips because naturally I have an oily face, so regardless of what I do, if I do nothing, it will glow in the sun. So I have no tips for that, but strictly your body, your arms, your neck, your chest, wherever you want to glow. So not only am I going to be just telling you guys about the products and showing you guys what I use, I'm going to actually put it on my skin so you guys can kind of like have a sense of what it would look like on skin. So the first product is the Neutrogena body oil. This body oil has been really good to me. I just started using it recently, but it has been really good. So let me try it just so you can see it on my skin. You guys don't have to put a lot on your body because a little goes a long way for this product, and it has like a little slight scent to it as well, but it's not like a bad scent. Usually I actually put this all over my body usually. If you guys want your legs to glow, definitely put this on it. Any other like shimmery product, I wouldn't like recommend it on your legs because that's not really the focus when it comes to shimmer. It's usually like up here, your arms maybe. But for your legs, I just put like this oil on it. So I don't know if you guys can actually see it from all the way down there, even a little bit. So I'm going to come close and hopefully you can see it that way. Okay, so that is it for the Neutrogena product. Usually I use oil to make my skin glow. Basically, that's what you use. Otherwise, if you don't want to use the Neutrogena oil, you can use coconut oil. So I usually get this can of coconut oil. You can use any type of coconut oil, but this is the one I use. I get it from Walmart. I got it actually at Food Basics recently. Like, you can get it at basically almost any grocery store. This exact one, the British Class coconut oil. So for this one too, a little goes a long way. I did put a lot on, but it's up to you. If you want to put a lot, go ahead. But on your legs I wouldn't, especially if you're going in the car, because it's going to get all over your seats and all over your clothes if you're putting it on throughout your like whole body actually. But like for these types of products, if I just want like certain areas to glow, I'll just lotion my skin with regular lotion, and then I'll put the oil or whatever I'm putting on the area showing, so it doesn't get on my clothes when I put it on. So I put it on after my clothes basically. So this is what it looks like now that I use the coconut oil on my arm. So the Neutrogena one is a little bit pricey, but you can use the coconut oil. It's definitely cheaper. Especially the one I get, I believe it's like $3.99, and the Neutrogena one where I got it, it was like almost $15. So it all depends on you, whatever works better for your skin. Okay, so next up I have a few products to make you shimmer now, not just glow, because I feel like just the oil will just make you glow if you just want a simple glowing look. Otherwise, I have a few more products that I do recommend coming up. So this is the Summer Fridays Shimmering Body Oil. This one is more on the pricey end. I think I got this bottle for like $50. So it's a little bit more pricey, but I really like it. And I even looked at the reviews previous to buying it, and the reviews were really good, and trust me, they're not lying. This is really good. It doesn't like leave you sticky or anything, because I know some of them might leave you a little bit sticky, but this one's perfect. So this one doesn't really have a scent, so it's good if you just don't want to, like, you know, because some things might have like a strong scent, for example, but you still want to use your perfume or something, and you want that perfume to have that scent, that impact on people's nose. But this one doesn't have a scent, so it's just the oil. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on my chest area, and then I'll show you guys the results. Okay, I'm trying to come close. I hope you guys can kind of see a little bit of the shimmer. It's not too overpowering with the glitter, so it's a good amount if you guys can see it. Otherwise, I'm just going to take another video and put it on the side. Next, I have a different thing that you guys probably never thought of, but I'm going to show you guys now. So this is an In the Stars Diamond Shimmer Mist. And usually with this one, wherever you spray it is where all of the glitter goes. So usually I'll spread it around my neck, for example, and then since the scent is faded now that I rubbed it in, I'll go in with the regular In the Stars and just spray it on top so I still have the scent there. So this is what I'll do. So another thing you can do just on top of the oil, or if you don't want the oil, you don't care about the glow, you can just do it for the shimmer. You can use a highlighter. This one's Huda Beauty's highlighter. So usually for that one, I'll just put it on my neck or wherever, my collarbone and stuff. I don't really know where I'm putting this. I have no mirror, so I'm just putting it on. Another thing you can actually do, and maybe I'll do a video on it, is you can actually use oil and highlighter. I don't really think that powdered highlighter, it could be like a liquid highlighter, and you can mix it together, and there you go, there's like a shimmery body oil for you. Just like simple as that, DIY. There you go, you're welcome. Lastly, I found this and I was so happy I found this. So this is a Cocoa Shimmer Jelly Stick from Vaseline. Usually I'll use a regular jelly stick, and I'll use the regular one just to, like, basically if you put it on, for example, your neck and then spray like a fragrance mist or anything on there, like any type of like perfume or something like that, it usually helps it last longer, and that's what I found. So also, you can also get this one. This one is actually a shimmer one, and you can put it on and then put just a regular perfume on. It's up to you, whatever you want to do, but this one's really cool. So I hope you can see a little bit of the glitter on my shoulder. So that is it for my video today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Comment down below if any of these tips were useful or if they worked. And I'll see you guys in the next video.